The essence of our findings shows that there is a keyboard in cells that line the inside of blood vessels and lymphatic vessels, and that we have now some tools to send messages to those cells to grow more vessels, either blood vessels or in persons who have damaged their lymphatic vessels in an accident or where an infection has damaged the lymphatic vessels. In some cases, surgeons have to remove lymph nodes from cancer patients, and by so doing, they have to damage the vessels. And we know now how to repair these vessels in, for example, pigs. And we are just being financed to go to human trials. It's a family of genes, and they talk to each other. So there's a control system in the nucleus of the cell where all signals arrive, and they are coordinated to induce wide-ranging readjustment of gene expression. So by sending protein signals, cells can tell each other whether they are in need of oxygen, nutrition, and they can stimulate blood vessel growth. And by knowing the members of the family, knowing how they work, we can sort of re-educate them so that they wouldn't do anything bad, but we can control their activities. We now know how to trigger some of these signals, and we know how to influence the keyboard from the outside of the cells. We press a button and we can get lymph vessels to grow for patients, hopefully, who are in need of additional vessels. We can also inhibit growth of vessels. And it seems that the tools that we have created can improve inhibition of cancerous tumor growth. So we think we get more efficacious therapies against the growth of cancerous tumors in humans by combining the findings that we have done with the pre-existing therapy. So I'm so grateful to all of the collaborators and colleagues with whom I have had the pleasure to work over many, many years. And of course, for the funding agencies that have trusted on me and provided the funding. And I think the honor really goes back to all of those members of the laboratory. So we're going to celebrate heavily, because there's the feeling that somehow all of us, including everybody, has been recognized for all the work that they have put into this and for believing to our goals and achieving the results that have led to this recognition.